Hello, welcome back to Life in Every Season. A quick video on how to change your rear wiper on a 2010 Toyota RAV4. This is my wife's car. Notice this is starting to split, really split. It's gone. So this is a little strange. If you'll pull out on this piece right here, pull up, it'll release it so you can get to it, and then you just rock it towards you and pull out. Got my new one here. This one had a beveled piece right here. The other one was completely round right here. So it is a one-way fit. I've got it backwards. Put it in the other way, rock it in. It'll have a little bit of a click to it. Put your cover back on, and now she's got a nice new windshield wiper. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe if you would. And for those of you who are already subscribed, you guys are fantastic. Thanks.